darkest pit of hell has opened to swallow you whole. So don't keep the devil waiting, friend. My daughter, if you hear me, I knew you would return as well. It's in your nature to protect the innocent. I'm sorry that on that day, the day you were shut out and left to die, no one was there to lift you up in their arms. The way you lifted others into yours. And then what became of you? I should have known you shouldn't be content to disappear. Not my daughter. I couldn't save you then, so let me save you now. It's time to rest for you and for those you have carried in your arms. This ends
Are you done?
for all of us. Ends communication.
Are you done? That actually was funny. The butt of 87 one was actually funny. Nothing else was.